Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I'm going to be swatching the Glitterbels Acrylics that I got for my birthday from Joe. 2, 4, 6, 8, there's 8 of them. I'm going to do it on pop, what do they call these? I was going to say a pop socket, but that goes at the back of your phone. Swatch stick. Yeah, swatch stick. I'm going to do it on the back of these. I've already wrote names on just to save myself a bit of time. So Pink Opal Shimmer, which is a core powder. Very pretty. The weather is so poo today. The last few days has been bloody gorgeous. And now the weather is absolutely shocking. It's been raining non-stop all morning. This is very pretty. It's a very subtle shimmer. Don't know if you can see that. I love that. I love that a lot. Okay, let's move you. Next, we have Violet Skies. Now, for some reason, I have a feeling this is going to marble. I'll give it a bit of a shake, maybe that'll help. That is beautiful. Yeah, this is gonna marble. So maybe if I play with it a bit. Yeah, this marbles a hell of a lot. I find that with the purples, they seem to always marble. What is that about? Yep. Okay, still a pretty colour. I'm excited for this one. This is Petal Candy. I was about to say candle. Petal candle. I mean, Oh, this is lovely. This one is marbling as well. That's a lovely colour. I like that. Tiffany Teal. Now I've heard this also marbles. Again, you just have to play with it. Yeah, it marbles. Why do they marble? Is it because they're so pigmented? It can't be. Because I've got acrylics that are really pigmented and they don't marble. I don't know. That one's not so bad. That's really lovely. I love that one a lot. Look at them three together. Beautiful. Okay, now we are going on to the it's the glittery ones. Now I've got Rainbow Crush. I know that these are beautiful because I've got a small pot of Rainbow Crush. The crushes are absolutely stunning. Shall I bring it down? I should have done that at the beginning. So sorry. Yeah, the crushes. Look at that. Bloody gorgeous. Just look at it. Sorry, I just got a phone call. I don't know how, but I keep getting, you know, like scammer calls. And I don't know how many times a day I block their numbers, but they keep calling me back on different numbers. And it's really freaking annoying. And I don't want to have to change my number because that's very annoying. Just look at her. She is beautiful. Okay, next we have Prince Crush. Oh gosh. Oh, beautiful. I'm a sucker for a mylar. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my god. I just can't deal with these. Look. I love them so much. Absolutely beautiful. Oops. Stunning. Then we have Ocean Crush. Oh my goodness. I've got one, it's not a crush, it's called I think it's called Angel Tears. Angel, is it Angel Wings? Angel Wings. It's the same sort of blue. I still haven't had my eyes done. Oh my god. Look. That is bloody beautiful. Oh, I love this. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then lastly we have a glitter one which is called Till Twinkle. So this is a teal glitter with silver, I think. Yep. For Jo's birthday, I picked her a it was a purple with a silver glitter. Oh, sorry, I'm so close. That is very, very pretty. Love, love, love. Right, I'll show you these from the beginning because they will be dry now. Let me just clean my brush a bit. There we go. I will pop you there. Right, so Pink Opal Shimmer, which is the core powder. Love that, very, very pretty. Violet Skies, which marbles like a biatch. Still pretty colour. Oh shit. We have Petal Crush. I love that colour. Again, that marble's not as bad. We have Rainbow Crush. That is bloody gorgeous. Then Prince Crush. Stunning. And then we have Ocean Crush. This one is still a little wet. Beautiful. And then Teal Twinkle. Gorgeous. I love them all so much. Right, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please continue to take good care of yourselves and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.